following the proceedings in the Mandal Commission report, the President first of all in his address gave an indication that the government was very keen on implementing the Mandal Commission. Later on 6th August 1990, the Union Cabinet formally passed that they shall be implementing the BP Mandal Commission. Then a statement was made by the Prime Minister of India to both houses saying that they were ready for the implementation. Then the order was passed to the Department of Personnel and Training, who made it into an office memorandum signed by the Joint Secretary, and thus came out this controversial office memorandum. Well, after this, there were a lot of things which happened in the country, as thousands of people were affected by this BP Mandal Commission report. The youth especially felt much affected as their jobs were at stake now. Then some people felt that with the implementation of the Mandal Commission, the inequalities in India would actually come to an end. Some also felt that it was very unfair to implement the Mandal Commission because the job should be given to a better qualified person and not to a person because he belongs to a certain category of caste. That is, he comes under that 27% reservation quota. Others felt that if we keep on implementing this Mandal Commission in the country, it would surely lead to casteism in the country more and more. Therefore, when so many people were affected, there were so many views, there were a lot of things going on, then if the people are unhappy with the judgment or the office memorandum, where should they go? They have to move to the court. So, lots of people filed a case in the various courts against these decisions. The case filed in the Supreme Court was called as the Indira Sahni versus Union of India case. And in this, the Supreme Court of India gave a verdict in favor of the government. But they said that certain changes have to be made in the order, the office memorandum which was passed. They said that the affluent, the rich people belonging to this community should not come under this category. So, it should be based, the reservation, on the economic status also of that particular community. Therefore, a new office memorandum was signed and given on 8th September 1993 following the decision of the Supreme Court of India.